This is called a honing steel, not a sharpener. It might be collecting dust in your utensil drawer. It's actually a really important thing to learn how to use if you want to keep your knives in good working order. As I mentioned, it is not a sharpener. So what a honing steel does is maintain the edge of your blade. When we sharpen, we actually create a new edge. So think of using this as like the equivalent of flossing your teeth. So here's how it works. This is called the tip of the knife. This is the heel. We hold the honing steel at about a 45-degree angle, and we start at the heel of the knife. And we work our way parallel to the honing steel from heel to tip. And we do that about 10 to 20 times. And then we do it on the other side. And you want to kind of keep it at a good safe distance away from you. Social distancing of your blade. You can also alternate if you get more comfortable. And you will notice that if you do this every time you cook, that you will have a blade that feels quite respectable.